Hey guys, I just thought I'd do something special since, a lot of views, a lot of good people. I thought that I might do one of the really cool things that people do that... How are they even getting out? Okay. They make this little boss. Then what you do? You see here? So, here we are. Then they go everywhere, and then we put